Tanjong Pagar Town has over 28,000 trees. Each day, over 4 tons of horticultural waste are transported during a pruning exercise. That trip requires an estimated 16 litres of diesel, and that works out to a whopping 5,000 litres in a year. To combat this, we utilize innovative machines such as the spider crane and the woodchipper. We take tree branches and grind them into wood chips. These wood chips are then used as mulch for the nearby trees. Mulch helps to retain moisture and repel pests. The machines are portable, faster, and require only one man to operate. By doing this, we are reducing the carbon footprint by an estimated 13,500 kilograms a year.